Hello, 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 everyone. Good morning, good morning. Let's get our cup of coffee or cup of tea, and I want you to enjoy today because I think today is one of the funnest days to be in the 10-day challenge. Today, you get to think about your offering and really what you're offering up to other people, other clients, other friends. I mean, when you have an offering, you can let anyone else enjoy it, right? There's so many clients, customers out there. And remember, everyone, there is abundance for all. So you don't have to think that there's not enough to go around for you. Everybody has their unique style, their unique gifts, the unique way they talk, right? There's some people that are super energetic. There are some people that are super calm. We have our high airy people. We have good morning, Lucy. We have the people that are super grounded, energetic. We have the empaths, right? We have people like me. I'm a learner. I'm a maximizer, and I try to maximize every moment. That's just who I am, and that's what I'm born with. So today we're thinking about our offerings, and yesterday and the day before you thought about your audience, right? So many of you are working as Reiki practitioners, as mothers, as givers, and we thought about what our audience was feeling, their specific feelings, and then also what you could provide or what they truly need so that they can live a prosperous life, whether it's a physically prosperous life, whether it is an energetically prosperous life, monetarily. That's what I do help with my clients, is help them make more money, get more clients. Or on the other side, I am a health coach, right? So I do help also women release the weight. And really, a lot of that has to do with their emotions, their past, and what they have to let go of. So I am a radical life coach. And so let's talk about our offering. So I want you to think about, you can close your eyes, and I'm going to take a sip of this coffee while you're closing your eyes. Close your eyes. I want you to breathe big into your heart, right? So I want you to breathe deeply into your heart. I want you to see your clients. See your specific client. I want you to see her, man, woman, whatever it is. I'm going to just talk about a woman right now because I work with women. I want you to see the women in front of you that need your services. And I want you to think about what their pain points were, right? Maybe they need natural remedies. They need energy healing. They need to lose weight. And then think about what they struggle with, like for the future. If they don't have this service you're going to provide, what are they going to miss out on the future? So I want you to keep your eyes closed. I want you to think about them. If they don't heal their body, lose weight, create money, feel better about themselves, change their mindset, right? How are they going to feel 30, 60, 90 days from now? So I really want you to think about that and feel it in your body. And then think about what you can offer them as a program, as a service, as a product that is going to provide them with a solution. So what kind of product, service, offering can you provide them so that they can become a better person, right? They can feel leaner, they can feel happier, they can feel joyful. Can you post below, like, what could you do for them? What kind of class, what kind of energy healing, what kind of course? Maybe you can create a Facebook group and make a challenge. What could you provide that's going to change their life in the next 30 days, right? So June's on here watching, I see. So June is an essential oil expert. She teaches essential oil classes, and she's a holistic health coach. She could provide a 10-day challenge or a 10-day free mini course on every essential oil. She could provide a workshop on holistic health and she could maybe teach cleansing and detoxing, right? So these are just some ideas for you. So I want you to think about where your clarity is with your products. Are you going to have a online product, right? Like I'm giving you this challenge. I can do 10 Facebook lives and just provide these lives for you to get clarity. This is really a clarity challenge. So I want you to think of it in that way. I'm bringing you clarity to take the next step in your business. And I am a mindset and clarity coach. And really my goal is to help you take your business to the next step. Yesterday alone, I had 2 to 4 people say they had clients just by thinking about their clients, by manifesting their clients, like really writing down who their clients were. They were getting phone calls just yesterday because of the first 3 days of their challenge. And getting phone calls from your clients means you can provide them with a service. Good morning, Allie. Good morning, June. Good morning, Lucy. So I want you to close your eyes. I want you to see your clients, because as you see your clients, you are drawing them towards you, right? Some of you are energy healers like myself, so you can feel them energetically show up. You can feel them in your hands. I want you to visualize your clients. I want you to visualize what you are going to provide them, how you're going to transform them, what are they feeling. So can you type down below, because I want to help you today. We're going to create we're creating our offerings. What are we offering people with our whole heart and soul? This is just not a like I didn't create this 10-day challenge just to throw it at you all, right? I created it because I want female entrepreneurs to bust through their blocks, because we have so many limiting beliefs. We have so much in front of us that holds us back, right? So good morning, Laureen. Please put below, what is the biggest struggle your clients have? And then I want you to think about, what is a simple thing you can do that you can offer them? Can you offer them a 5-day challenge? Can you offer them a little ebook that they could sign up for your mailing list and you could give them? Can you offer them a package, right? Like a package of services with you? Can you offer them, do you have ideas? I want you to post them below. Can you offer them like a mini video series? So these videos, what I do in my membership group is I teach how to do Facebook ads, how to create videos, how to really manifest people just in an easier, more authentic way. And if you start to do things like small videos, you can make a huge impact on people because they get to see you. And if you see me, you know I just want to give so much information because my joy is learning. And I love things like Facebook ads and attracting customers on Facebook. So you want to think about that. What is the simplest thing you can provide for your clients, right? All of our clients want healing. Can we get a heart? Can I just get a heart for that? All of our clients want healing. They either want to heal their heart, they want to heal their digestive system, they want to heal their money issues, they want to heal their relationships, there's something that you can help them transform. And I know you all aren't here because you want to work 9 to 5 at a desk job, right? Right? Thumbs up for that. You are all here because you want to change your money mindset. You want to change the way you're working, and you really want to transform people's lives. I mean, we're here on this planet, and thank God Mercury retrograde is over, right? We are here on this planet to help other women transform. And it's not about bringing women down anymore, right? Back when high school or wherever that was, thank God we're not in high school. We are in this group, this blissful living group, so we can help each other rise up, right? So that is our goal. So I want you to be very clear. If you didn't sign up for the 10-day challenge, make sure you sign up, because you're getting a daily email and you're getting daily questions, and I promise you, you do the challenge, you're going to have customers. I already have 3-4 women yesterday telling me they had people calling them, just because when you write down your customers, you see them, you visualize them, they feel that attraction, right? And they're going to call you. So you can ask your future clients. What I do is I've asked June, actually, before, there's a couple people, I've asked, like, what are your stumbling blocks? You can interview your clients. What are your stumbling blocks? What is your budget for a class, a course, a healing service? What do you want to transform? These are questions you can ask. What are you going to transform in the next 90 days, 1 year, 3 years? What do you listen to? What books do you listen to? What Audible do you listen to? What podcast do you listen to? And I might get back into podcasting. It's a big job, but I have a podcast. It's called Crazy to Calm, and it's really just getting women calm. It had meditations and other things, but I took a break from it. So I want you to think about that. Write down below, and don't be scared that other women here are going to be doing the same things. We attract people that do the similar things that we do, right? So that's what we're attracting, and we all are unique. We are different, and we're going to say things in a different way, right? We might even speak a different language, and that's going to just transform, right? Different languages transform the energy and the way it's heard. So can you post below? Let's see, June said, I like to offer what has helped me in the past. That brings me to my next point. Let me have some of my coffee. I want you to think about yourself 3 years ago, and I want you to think about where you were and how you transformed, right? Maybe it's abuse. Maybe it's you had, like I transformed my thyroid, hypothyroidism, and my gut issues, and always feeling hormonal, right? I did that, and I taught that for years, so you can teach that. Others, you want to teach, maybe you are on antidepressants, and these were the steps that you took to get out of it. I mean, everybody needs help with that. They need help with being peaceful and releasing that, any kind of addictions, or using things that really don't serve them, or being in an abusive relationship. I mean, ladies, we've all had a journey, and we all transformed. So write me below, like, what happened to you in the last 3 to 5 years that you could help someone see, right? Maybe you notice this pattern you do over and over and over again. Maybe you're getting in, maybe 3 years ago you were getting in horrible relationships where you had to pay all the bills. You know, maybe you lost 50 pounds. One of my private coaching clients, I helped her lose weight, and from there I taught her to help other people lose weight, right? So there are so many things that you can do. There is so much out there, and there are so many experiences. Like, thank you, universe. Like, let's just say thank you, universe, that we got all of these just these tests, these journeys, these experiences, so that we could teach somebody else, right? I remember becoming a holistic health coach, and I was like, what do I do next, right? This was 10 years ago. I'm thinking, now, all the last 10 years, if I just had a simple thing to get on track and get unstuck, right, it would have been so much easier for me. So that's why I created this 10-day challenge. I want you women to flourish and not be stuck. I want you to know exactly what to do, know what the next steps are. And the 10-day challenge, you're going to see that. I mean, my one-on-one clients, we go a little bit deeper because I work on them with their banners and their Facebook ads and attracting clients in a different way, and we really transform their mindset. So if you need a clarity call, send me a message. We'll hook it up, okay? I'm going to take only 2 this week, and I'll take 2 next week. I'm super, super packed this week with this challenge. I want to be here for you as much as I can. So post below what you're going to offer your clients, okay? All right. June says she's not using any over-the-counter medications anymore. She doesn't have inflammation in her body. She's lost weight, and she has more energy. So you can package that, June, in a 30, 60, 90-day program. You can work one-on-one with those clients, see the client, visualize the client, and help them transform. Okay? All right, guys. I love you so much. I hope you do the homework. Just do the homework, and you will start to transform others, and you will transform yourself and your life. Love you so much.